O hushed October morning mild, thy leaves have ripened to the fall. Tomorrow's wind, if it be wild, should waste them all. The crows above the forest call. Tomorrow they may form and go. O hushed October morning mild, begin the hours of this day slow. I love this time of year so much, and I look forward to bringing the vibrant colors outside, inside, because they literally make me deliriously happy. I always start with the paisley curtains and the red velvet valances I made because they make the room feel so cozy. I also bring out all of my depression glass in the reds, ambers, and oranges, as well as velvet pillow covers and throws and anything else that has those wonderful, vibrant fall colors. Changing out decor seasonally is also a very good opportunity to really deep clean a room, so I always like to take care of that before I style. Books and more books are so important to me, and I love to use them as decor because they're useful items and not just random objects that have no purpose. Of course, I always take a trip through the woods to cut whatever leaves have turned particularly sourwood because these last so long, and I will change them out about once a week as different leaves start to change colors. Other natural and organic elements like pine cones and gourds also bring the outside in. I love when the hydrangeas start to turn these beautiful, dark, rich colors, and I use them all over the house. One of my favorite color combinations is red with orange, just as it is in nature. And I always love bringing out these velvet pillows and then adding a coordinating Turkish kilim to kind of pull it all together. And did I mention books? Of course. I love to have books stacked all around the house because the curiosity will make me pick one up instead of turning on the TV or scrolling mindlessly on my phone. Because this is our main living area, it needs to be comfortable as well as pretty, so warm throws and comfortable pillows make it a room that we can enjoy aesthetically and also be comfortable at the same time. Thank you. One of my favorite things about this time of year is how the sun shines into our house in the afternoons. It honestly just makes me so happy and brings a smile to my face whenever I come into this room. So here is our living room, all cozy for fall.